Guys, look who I saw again in May Pen.
Don't post that. Don't post that thing or don't post that.
To be honest, me too force this.
Yo, YouTube. We're back in our place again. Rain a fall, sun a shine. We have to day in our place, no matter what. We are going our video every Sunday. Episode 8. 1 TK, the black of the camera. See Instagram over here, so. See TikTok over here, so. We're going to go follow my dog. Get him page active. Right now, we're in a May Pen town once again. We are going out and see if we can find the brightest set of people. And we are going to give her 5 grand. We are going to give her 5 grand today. TK, where you say we active? Which way we are going? Left or right? If no, we are going another. Forward. Alright, so we're there with the brightest girl in a May Pen. Mia says she passed only for subject already.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Alright, so we're here with the brightest girl in May Pen right now. I just want you to introduce yourself.
My name is Tori. Brandon.
Gio.
Kevin. Sharp boss.
J.
Kishi._ them. Pangram Kishi._ overdose for TikTok.
No, I want to 17 double pan up.
My name Brittany. One Brittany Fanny up.
First question. What is WAR? Use the mic.
War.
What is MED?
What? Men? MED?
Yeah, no MED.
Yeah, me know MED.
Yeah, what is that?
Yeah, made
Hold up. Wait a minute.
something like so.
Mid?
No, and I made, but yeah. Wait, me nervous, me not.
Come in again. What is WAR?
War.
Use the mic.
WAR is war.
What is MED?
Med.
Put the 2 words together, where you get? Put the 2 words together, where you get?
Sir, you have to give me my pen.
5 seconds.
Me not know.
3, 2. You know why I made?
You are, you just have to say that you're fine. It's not really funny. You just can't.
What is WAR?
WAR.
Yeah.
What? WAR.
Yeah.
War.
What is MED?
MED.
Yeah.
Med.
Put them together, where you get?
WAR. MED.
You don't know?
War med.
Got him.
War med.
WAR.
Yeah.
MED. War med. So what kind of word that?
War med.
War med.
You never see that word before?
Nah, sir.
Never hear that word there?
WAR.
Yeah.
MED.
Yeah.
War med.
War med.
We don't know what the word is. What kind of word that?
You just make it up, I don't know that word there.
What the word no pronounce, sir?
If something no cool, it what?
Warm.
How you spell warm?
WARM.
The. Warmed.
ED.
So what that?
Warmed.
So you say warmed.
Nah, man, me
I don't understand you. What is WAR?
WAR war.
What is MED?
MED. You know what? What am I say now? Me not so smart, you know.
A 3-letter word.
Me not know, you know.
You know MED? Spell it out.
MED.
Pronounce it.
Med.
Med.
Yeah.
Say you don't know it, then come in again from top. What is WAR?
War.
What is MED?
Med.
Put the two words together. What you get?
War med. War med. Boom! Me bright. Whoa.
You say war med.
Something like that.
The word is warmed.
So we are. Alright. Belly.
What is WAR?
War.
Say it excellent for answer.
No, because we have to think first. We have to think.
Come in again. What is WAR?
War.
What is MED?
Mid?
Mid? You say mid?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. No, Manaricalism.
What?
MED? MED what?
No.
Come in again no.
No, give me one next
I'm
one.
mid.
Give me one next one.
Me I tell you the answer. I'm mid. Come in again. You ready?
Yeah,
Me I ask you again. What is WAR?
War.
What is MED?
Mid.
Put the two words together. What you get?
War mid.
War mid.
War mid.
War mid. What is WAR? WAR. What is MED? Put the two words together. What you get?
Warm.
Them youth are bright. Them bright. Second question. If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
She my cousin.
How? Hold on, bro. How? How you? I'm saying how? Like, talk to me, bro.
If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
If my uncle's sister is not my aunt,
Who is she to you?
my step aunt.
If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
If my uncle sister and my aunt,
Yeah,
who is she to me?
yeah.
Yo, this a jack crowd, you know that.
I say if you have to think about it, answer good. Come in.
If my uncle sister
Yeah,
and my aunt,
yeah,
who is she to me then?
yeah.
Oh, my cousin.
If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
My uncle's sister is not my aunt.
Yeah. She a what to you?
Cousin.
Cousin?
Why God? Cousin.
Cousin, you say? That wrong, you know.
Oh,
Make you one more chance. If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
me don't know.
You don't know. Think about it, man.
Repeat the question.
If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you? If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you? Right, you know. Yes, sir. Cousin. That wrong.
Repeat the question.
If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you? Your uncle sister. Yeah, say something, you know. What you want to say?
Your aunt.
Your aunt. I'm just telling you, say she's not your aunt. If your uncle's sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
My uncle's sister. So the man of my uncle,
Yeah,
but his sister
I know your auntie.
and my auntie.
She a what to you?
She don't me nothing then.
Something ain't right.
If your uncle's sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
My granny.
Uncle, sister, and my aunt. So what is she to you?
Yeah. We no learn family tree and everything
Yeah,
there.
probably step auntie.
Step auntie.
Yeah.
So you say your uncle there with him sister for turn him in a step and we are try. I don't understand.
No,
Because of mother. Because of mother.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Your granny.
After two? Right?
That wrong.
Damn.
Uncle, sister. And I'm aunt.
Yeah.
Who is she? Uncle, sister. I don't know about your family, you know that.
Yeah, you know about your family.
Alright.
Yeah, you know your mother.
Yeah, I know my mother.
So if your uncle have a sister and she know your aunt, she what it?
She's my mother.
Yeah. So you got a cousin. Last question. If farmer A sells apples and farmer B sells bananas, what does farmer C sells?
Jesus Christ. Cantaloupe.
No.
If farmer A sells apples, farmer B sells banana, what does farmer C sells?
What?
corn. Corn.
What?
Corn. Corn.
What?
Corn.
If farmer A sells apples and farmer B sells banana, what does farmer C sells?
Corn.
Corn.
Yeah, I look so.
Him say corn.
You say that wrong.
That wrong.
So I answer.
You know what farmer C sells?
Cow.
Cow.
Yeah, cow.
Yeah, I'm a general.
Cow.
That wrong. Farmer A sells apples.
Yes.
Farmer B sells banana. What does farmer C sells? Farmer C no sell nothing.
Jailer, just shut up.
Where tell him shut up for? Wrong. If farmer A sells apples, farmer B sells banana, what does farmer C sells? Orange.
Right?
Orange.
Right?
Remember say farmer A sells apple and B sells banana. Orange. Wrong. Answer is medicine. Cantaloupe.
Just let me get the 5 grand now. Belly.
But you don't get none right.
Apple.
A apple and B a banana. So C have to be one.
Can a fruit? Can A apple, banana. What fruit better with C?
Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe
Or cranberry.
and a vegetable that.
No, cantaloupe or melon.
A melon.
Yeah.
Cranberry. I made this other answer. Pharmacy. Pharmacy sells medicines. Yo! Jano, the rain a fall, the rain a tear. Then we said storm a come. My name believe them. I'm out here do video for uno. In the rain, me there do video for uno. Look on the place. Nobody know want to stop and do the interview. We have cut that video short. Remember follow 1TK, never two. On the Instagram, on the YouTube. It's up on the screen right now. Make sure to like, subscribe, share. Which one we are going next? Wolaba, Spain Town, Westmoreland and Carway now, Surridge. I cut me a cut you now, Carrier not here. TK forward.